To use sound equalizer on your Harman Kardon Go Plus Play free speaker, you've got actually a few methods. The first one, you have to remember that on this speaker you actually cannot find mobile application, so you cannot use the original application from Harman Kardon. But probably you are using some kind of the streaming services like Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, or Tidal. This is the most popular. So you can use equalizer in those applications. In my case, I have to click in the YouTube Music in the right upper corner and just go into the settings, where I can find the playback settings, and here, as you can see, I can find the equalizer. So I can open it, and now I can adjust all of those switchers to my preferences while listening for sure. But you can still use some kind of the built-in effects in your phone. So here, for example, I can find the deep field sound effect that is built into my Vivo X200 Pro smartphone. So you can use equalizers from streaming services or from your phone built-in sound settings. And in this case, when I'm gonna open that, if I'm gonna turn it on and select, for example, the mega bass, it will actually make a difference. So you can also use the another method. When you open the Play Store, you can use some applications that are available here. Just input equalizer phrase, and as you can see here, you can find a lot of different applications. So I can recommend you to download a few of them, test them, and pick this one that fits your preferences the best. This is like super popular, the power ramp, but the paid version actually. But you can find the wavelet, for example, or the flat equalizer. And if you don't know how to adjust those switchers, well, you can just use AI, the Gemini or ChatGPT, and ask them. Tell them your music preferences, or tell them what kind of the music you are listening often, and then tell them to adjust this specific frequencies into your listening preferences. And that's how we can actually use that equalizer on this device. I hope you find it useful. Let me know if you have some other questions about Harman Kardon Go Plus Play Free. On my channel you can actually find a lot of different videos.